At the dawn of a new Philippines, a new company was born, and a legacy of serving the Filipino took shape. Wholly owned by Filipinos and established for Filipinos, Insular Life Assurance Company Limited was incorporated on November 25, 1910. A high demand for insurance policies marked the beginning of Insular Life. Like most startups, however, the company had its own share of birth pains. Premature expansion and financial difficulties resulted to a change in ownership. Soon, the company founders started unloading their stocks to other interested businessmen. As the company matured, changes were introduced. Even at this early stage, Insular Life's penchant for undiscriminating service was already eminent when it instituted a standard premium rate regardless of race. The company differentiated itself by instituting a fast claims settlement policy. As a result, business improved dramatically. In 1915, Frank Shaler, Insular Life's first actuary, helped draft the first insurance law of the Philippines. This milestone is forever written in the history of the Philippine insurance industry. From its humble beginnings in Manila, the company expanded and posted continuing growth. That in 1932, Insular Life became the #1 insurance company in the country. In the same year, the Hawaii division opened. As a company incorporated to serve the insurance needs of Filipinos, Insular Life played an important role in the development of the country. Its investment on bonds and mortgage loans funded various infrastructure projects and was instrumental in funding the growth of major Philippine-American companies, contributing significantly to economic growth. By the end of the decade, Insular Life's business in force had grown from 40 million in 1935 to 61 million in 1939. Total assets stood at 14.6 million, a promising start to a promising company. Having survived the worst, Insular Life looked to the future as it celebrated its 50th anniversary. Further growth and development marked this period, with the company passing the $500 million mark in in-force business by the end of 1960. The company set its sights on a new home as the new 13-story Insular Life building was put at the corner of Paseo de Rojas and Ayala Avenue. In 1963, the Insular Life building in Makati was ready for occupancy. Much like the old building in Manila, the new building was a landmark in the burgeoning business district. By 1966, Insular Life surpassed the 1 billion peso mark, doubling its business in the last 5 years. Company President Jose Olvez proudly reported that Insular Life remains to be the long-standing leader in group assurance and continues to enjoy an unequaled prestige in benefit payments. In no time at all, Insular Life gained 2 billion pesos of business in force and was well on its way for a continuing upward climb. Perhaps the biggest change in Insular Life history was its mutualization, which was kicked off in 1977 and completed in 1986. For this mission, the Ayalas, former owners of Insular Life, placed one of their trusted executives, Vicente R. Añon, to head the company. Through this corporate change, its vision as a life insurance company for Filipinos and by Filipinos has taken a deeper sense and a stronger meaning. By virtue of mutualization, every policyholder is a part owner. The company also sought opportunities for healthy investments with the partnership of Insular Life, the Aboitiz Group, and the Social Security System to create the Union Bank of the Philippines. Amidst the rallies and the demonstrations brought about by the Aquino assassination, Insular Life celebrated its 75th anniversary with sterling accomplishments. In 1990, Insular Life started the decade with a new look and diversified into allied financial services that resulted to the creation of Insular Life Healthcare, Insular Investment, Insular General, and Insular Savings and Trust Company. After several years of successful operations, Insular Life refocused its strategies and decided to sell Insular Savings in 2005, while endeavoring on a joint venture with MAPFRE Sociedad Anónima to merge Insular General and MAPFRE Asian Insurance Corporation to what is now MAPFRE Insular in that same year. At the turn of a new millennium, Insular Life transferred to its new headquarters in Philinvest Corporate City in Alabang. In a bid to differentiate itself through customer service, Insular Life launched its unique brand of customer service named Magandang Araw Insular, with the aim of making each customer transaction a Magandang Araw experience for its policyholders. In its 100 years of existence, the legacy of serving the Filipino continues. From the past, Insular Life today carries with it the same vision that brought 6 Filipinos together in 1910 to build an insurance company for Filipinos by Filipinos. This vision was made even more alive today as Insular Life embraces a refreshed brand promise to look after the welfare of Filipinos by serving as their far-sighted guardians. This brand promise aims to achieve Insular Life's mission of serving Filipinos by helping them make confident plans for their future through product, services, and expertise. This brand positioning is articulated in its tagline, "Look ahead, be assured."